Imagine a world where invisible lines of force guide every step, shaping the journeys of countless creatures in ways we can barely comprehend. Where the pull of the North Pole is as real as the warmth of the sun, and direction is written into the very fabric of existence. For many creatures, this is reality. Their lives are orchestrated by forces we cannot see, but which they sense with astonishing precision. They possess a sixth sense, magnetoreception, the remarkable ability to perceive the Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to navigate vast distances with confidence. This biological compass guides epic migrations and everyday journeys alike, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. The Earth is a giant magnet, its field stretching from core to space, rich with information, direction, intensity, and inclination, an invisible map for those who can read it. Animals that read this map are never truly lost. Evolution has gifted them an internal GPS, a sense honed over millions of years. Scientists have searched for the secrets of this sense in birds' eyes, turtles' brains, even bacteria's cells, hoping to unlock the mysteries of nature's navigation. Theories abound: iron crystals as compass needles, acting as tiny sensors that align with the planet's field, or quantum effects in the eye, where light and magnetism intertwine in ways we are only beginning to understand. Each discovery reveals the complexity of life's connection to the planet, and how deeply intertwined we are with the forces of nature. Magnetoreception challenges our understanding of perception itself. We've mapped the stars, decoded DNA, and explored the depths of the oceans, yet remain blind to a force enveloping us all, a silent guide that shapes the lives of so many species. Studying this sense isn't just about animals, it's about the very nature of how life perceives the world, and the hidden layers of reality that surround us. It reminds us that nature's mysteries are often hidden in plain sight, waiting for curious minds to uncover them. The world is far more mysterious than we imagine, and every discovery brings us closer to understanding the unseen forces that shape our lives. The Arctic tern is one of nature's most remarkable travelers, flying from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year, a staggering journey of 50,000 miles, guided by more than just the sun and stars above. These birds cross entire hemispheres, braving vast oceans and unpredictable weather. Their secret? An internal compass finely tuned to the Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to navigate through storms, darkness, and even dense fog. Loggerhead sea turtles hatch on Florida beaches, then embark on an epic journey across the Atlantic, returning years later to the very same shore, guided by magnetic cues imprinted at birth. Even honeybees and monarch butterflies use magnetic information to find food and migrate with astonishing precision. Some mammals, like bats and rodents, also rely on this hidden sense to orient themselves in the world. Magnetoreception is a universal reference, available anywhere, anytime, no matter the landscape or the hour. For countless species, it's the difference between survival and being lost, between thriving and perishing in the wild. This sense is a cornerstone of life's grand migrations and daily routines, shaping the rhythms of the animal kingdom. Evolution's ingenuity is on full display in these navigators, revealing the wonders of adaptation and survival. The silent compass orchestrates the movements of the natural world, guiding creatures on journeys both epic and everyday. For years, scientists believed magnetoreception relied on tiny magnetite crystals in animal cells, acting as microscopic compass needles. These crystals, found in birds' beaks and even human brains, seemed to explain the sense, but the evidence was incomplete. No definitive sensory organ linked to magnetite was found. Another theory emerged: the radical pair mechanism, involving cryptochrome proteins in the eye. Here, quantum effects might let animals see magnetic fields as patterns over their vision. The Earth's weak field and fleeting quantum states made this idea controversial. Both theories offered tantalizing clues, but neither fully explained the diversity of magnetoreceptive animals. The search for the true mechanism continued, pushing science into new territory. Magnetoreception's mystery deepened, hinting at a solution both elegant and universal. The answer, it seemed, lay deeper in the fabric of biology. In 2024, a new theory emerged, the ion-forced oscillation, IFO theory. It proposed that voltage-gated ion channels, found in nearly every animal cell, could detect magnetic fields. These channels, essential for nerve impulses, might also act as sensitive magnetic sensors. No specialized organ required, any cell with these channels could sense the field. This explains why magnetoreception appears in so many unrelated species. The sense could be distributed throughout the nervous system, not confined to one spot. Magnetoreception may be an emergent property of basic cellular physics. The IFO theory unifies scattered observations, offering a powerful new perspective. How do ion channels detect magnetic fields? This question has fascinated scientists for decades, as it lies at the heart of animal navigation. The answer lies in the Lorentz force, a fundamental principle of physics. When charged particles, like ions, move through a magnetic field, they experience a force that can change their direction or behavior. As animals move, ions near their cells begin to oscillate, and this subtle motion can nudge ion channels open or closed, acting almost like a biological switch. This process creates tiny electrical signals, the raw data of magnetic sensation, which the nervous system can interpret. The effect depends entirely on movement. A stationary animal feels nothing, but as soon as it moves, the signal is amplified, making the magnetic field detectable. Migrating animals may even adjust their speed and direction to optimize these magnetic readings, fine-tuning their internal compass as they travel. The effect is strongest when animals move perpendicular to magnetic field lines, maximizing the force on the ions and the resulting signal. The Earth's magnetic field varies with latitude, so animals can sense both direction and position, helping them navigate vast distances. By combining information from both horizontal and vertical components, animals build a detailed magnetic map of their environment, guiding them on their journeys. All of this remarkable navigation ability stems from the basic physics of moving ions interacting with magnetic fields. The IFO theory elegantly explains how animals navigate with such precision, using nature's own invisible forces as a guide. Motion truly is the key to unlocking the magnetic sense, revealing a hidden world of navigation that connects all living creatures. Satellite imagery revealed a surprising pattern. Cattle and deer align their bodies north-south when grazing. This alignment persisted regardless of weather, sun, or wind, pointing to the Earth's magnetic field as the cause. The behavior was consistent across thousands of animals and locations. Even stationary animals like cows make small movements that could trigger their magnetic sense. Aligning north-south may help them standardize sensory input or aid spatial memory. This discovery proved large mammals possess a magnetic sense, not just migratory species. Everyday animal behavior is shaped by invisible forces. The IFO theory offers a compelling explanation for this phenomenon. The quiet fields of grazing cattle are a living demonstration of nature's hidden compass. Near high-voltage power lines, cattle's north-south alignment vanishes, their internal compasses scrambled by human-made magnetic fields. Power lines generate strong, low-frequency fields that overwhelm the Earth's subtle signal. This disruption extends over 150 meters, proving animals truly sense magnetic fields. Our technology creates invisible barriers, confusing wildlife that depends on magnetoreception. Migratory birds, sea turtles, and even fish may be affected by electromagnetic pollution. The IFO theory predicts such interference is likely, as artificial fields disrupt ion oscillations. Understanding these impacts is crucial for conservation. We must consider not just visible structures, but the invisible effects of our electrified world. Protecting nature's compass is now an urgent scientific and ethical challenge. Do humans have a magnetic sense? Consciously, no. But the story isn't so simple. Recent research shows our brains respond to rotating magnetic fields, even if we're unaware. EEG studies reveal brainwave changes synchronized with magnetic shifts. It's as if we receive the signal, but can't interpret it. This may be a vestigial sense, a remnant from our evolutionary past. Magnetite crystals in the human brain add to the mystery. The IFO theory suggests the basic mechanism exists in us too. Some people may be more sensitive, but proving it is difficult. For now, the human magnetic sense remains an intriguing frontier. Deep within us, a forgotten compass may still linger. Magnetoreception is rarely an animal's only navigational tool. Nature favors redundancy. Animals use a symphony of senses. The magnetic sense provides a global framework, but sun, stars, smell, and landmarks add detail. Birds calibrate their compass with the sun by day, stars by night. As they near home, scent and vision guide them the final stretch. This multisensory approach makes navigation robust and adaptable. If one sense fails, others compensate. Magnetoreception is part of a larger intricate system of perception. Unlocking its secrets deepens our appreciation for the genius of animal navigation. It reminds us that finding one's place in the world is a symphony, not a solo.